Namaste students. Now we are going to discuss about human eye. Our human eyes are most valuable sensitive organs and responsible for vision. First we will see structure of the eye. The eyeball is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. It consists of a tough membrane called sclera. This sclera protects the internal parts of the eye. Next we will see the important parts of human eye, cornea. This is the thin and transparent layer on the front surface of the eyeball. It is the main refracting surface. When light enters through the cornea, it refracts or bends the light onto the lens. Iris. Iris is the colored part of the eye. It may be blue, green or brown. It is a unique color, pattern and texture. It controls amount of light entering into the pupil like camera aperture, that means camera hole. Pupil. It is the center part of the iris. It is pathway for the light to retina. Retina. This is the back surface of the eye. It is most sensitive part in the human eye. Real and inverted image of object formed here. Ciliary muscles. Eye lens is fixed between ciliary muscles. It helps to change the focal length of the eye lens according to the position of the object. It helps to change the focal length of the eye lens according to the position of the object. Eye lens. It is the important part of human eye. It is convex in nature. Normally it is convex in nature. Next, working of human eye. The transparent layer cornea bends the light rays through pupil at center part of the iris. The adjusted light passes through the eye lens. Already we know eye lens is convex in nature. So light rays from the objects are converged and a real inverted image formed on retina. Then retina passes the received real and inverted image to the brain through optic nerves. Finally, the brain senses it as erect image. Look at the picture. The tree is an object. The image is formed on the retina, that is real and inverted image. This is the working for human eye. Next one, power of accommodation. The ability of the eye lens to focus nearby as well as the distant object. The ability of the eye lens, that means the capacity of the eye lens to focus nearby as well as the distant object. This is achieved by changing the focal length of the eye lens with the help of ciliary muscles. Eye lens is made of a flexible jelly-like materials. By relaxing and contracting the ciliary muscles, the curvature and hence the focal length of the eye lens can be altered. The first picture, when we see the distant object, the ciliary muscles are relaxed and makes the eye lens thinner. Then this increases the focal length of the eye lens. So distant object can be seen clearly. The next one, when we see the closer object, the focal length of the eye lens is decreased. The ciliary muscles are contracts. Okay, so the image of the closer object is clearly formed on the retina. Persistence of vision. If the time interval between two consecutive light pulses is less than 0.1 second, human eye cannot distinguish separately. If the time interval between two consecutive light pulses is less than 0.1 second, human eye cannot distinguish them separately. Okay. The maximum distance up to which the eye can see the object clearly, it is called far point of the eye. It is infinity for normal eye. Here eye muscles are relaxed, so no strain is there. The minimum distance required to see the object is called near point of the eye. It is 25 centimeter for normal human eye. Here eye muscles are contracted and working hard, so eye strain occurs here. For young kids only 10 centimeter. Next, defects in eye. The normal human eye can clearly see all the objects placed between 25 centimeter and infinity. This is the persistence of vision. But some people, the eye loses its power of accommodation. This could happen due to many reasons, including aging. Hence, their vision becomes defective. There are 4 types: myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, astigmatism. Let us see one by one. Myopia. Myopia is also known as short sightedness. It occurring due to the lengthening of eyeball. With this defect, nearby objects can be seen clearly, but distant object cannot be seen clearly. This defect may happen the focal length of the eye lens reduced, or the distance between the eye lens and retina increases. Due to this reason, the image of distant object are formed before the retina. Look at the picture. Strawberry is an object. The image is formed on the retina. This is normal vision. The second one, the image is formed in front of retina. This is myopia, defected eye. This defect can be corrected using a concave lens. For example, a person with a defect of myopia eye can see up to a distance x. So, the required focal length of the concave lens f is equal to minus x. Look at the picture. The first one is a normal vision. The image is formed on the retina. The second one, myopia defected eye. The image is formed in front of retina. So, the third one is the corrected one. We have to use the concave lens. Okay, the one more point. If a person can see up to a distance x, the focal length f is equal to minus x. But he wants to see up to a distance y, means the focal length of the required concave lens is f is equal to xy divided by x minus y. Okay, clear? The next one, hypermetropia, is also known as long-sightedness, occurs due to the shortening of eyeball. With this defect, distant object can be seen clearly, but nearby objects cannot be seen clearly. This may happen, the focal length of the eye lens can be increased, or distance between eye lens and the retina decreased. Due to this reason, the image of nearby object are formed behind the retina. Okay, this picture, the first one is a normal vision. The image is formed on the retina. The second one, the image is formed behind the retina. This is hypermetropia defect. This defect can be corrected by using convex lens. Okay. For example, a person with hypermetropia eye can see the object beyond a distance d. That means small d. Suppose he wants to see all the object closer than this distance up to a distance of capital D. So, the required focal length of the convex lens f is equal to small d capital D divided by small d minus capital D. Okay, so look at the picture. The first one is a normal vision. The image is formed on the retina. The second one, hypermetropia defected eye, the image is formed behind the retina. The third one is corrected used by convex lens. Okay, clear? The next one, presbyopia. Due to aging, ciliary muscles become weak and the eye lens rigid. Rigid means inflexible, and so the eye loses its power of accommodation. Already we know eye lens is a flexible jelly-like material, but due to aging, ciliary muscles become weak, the eye lens are rigid. Okay, an aged person, that's why an aged person cannot see nearby object clearly. So it is also called as old aged hypermetropia. Some person may have both the defects of vision. Okay, myopia as well as hypermeteropia. This can be corrected by bifocal lens. This can be corrected by bifocal lens, in which the upper part consists of a concave lens, okay, to correct myopia defect used for distant vision. In lower part, convex lens to correct hypermeteropia used for reading purpose. Okay, the first one, presbyopia, defected eye. The presbyopia, defected, corrected eye. The second one, they have to use bifocal lens. Okay, this is the bifocal lens, okay, in which the upper part consists of a concave lens used for distant object. In lower part consists for convex lens used for reading purpose. Okay, clear? The next one, astigmatism. I cannot see parallel and horizontal lines clearly. This type of defect is called astigmatism. It is inherited or acquired. It is due to the imperfect structure of eye lens because of the development of cataract on the eye lens, ulceration of cornea, injury to the refracting surface. So this can be corrected by using cylindrical lens, that means toric cell. This type of lens, this is the cylindrical lens, it is corrected by astigmatism defect. The next one, related problems. A person with myopia can see object placed at a distance of 4 meter. If he wants to see objects at a distance of 20 meter, what should be the focal length and power of the concave lens he must wear? Okay, the solution, given data, myopia defected eye can see the object 4 meter, but he wants to see the 20 meter object. So the need focal length of the correction lens, f is equal to xy divided by x minus y. Substitute all the values, so we get the answer f is equal to minus 5 meter. Then power of the correction lens, p is equal to 1 by f. Substitute the value for f, so p is equal to minus 0.2 d. So the focal length of the correction lens, f is equal to minus 5 meter. Power of the correction lens, p is equal to minus 0.2 d. For a person hypermeteropia, the near point has moved to 1.5 meter. Calculate the focal length of the correction lens in order to make his eye normal. Solution, for given data, d is equal to 1.5 meter. The hypermeteropia, to see the object at a distance 1.5 meter. Then d is equal to 25 centimeter, that is persistence of vision. For normal human eye, it is a centimeter, it converted into meter, so divided by 100 is equal to 0.25 meter. Focal length of the correction lens is f is equal to small d into capital D divided by small d minus capital D. So substitute all the values, we get the answer f is equal to 0.3 meter. Okay, clear? So that's all. So points to remember so far. What are the points we covered? Structure of the human eye, there are so many parts is there: cornea, iris, pupil, retina, ciliary muscles, eye lens. Working of the human eye, power of accommodation, persistence of vision, far point and near point. In a normal eye, normal eye is a infinity for far point, then near point is a normal eye is a 25 centimeter, for kids 10 centimeter. Then defects in eye, there are 4 types: myopia, hypermeteropia, presbyopia, astigmatism. Myopia is a short-sightedness, it is corrected by concave lens. Hypermeteropia is a long-sightedness, it is corrected by convex lens. Presbyopia, it is corrected by bifocal lens. Astigmatism, it is corrected by cylindrical cell or toric cell. Okay students, thank you.